Right guys, got Friday's class, home workout. It is, our buy-in's going to be a bar times 8. The first 20 seconds will be jumping lunge, rest 10 seconds. Then we'll go to down ups, 20 seconds, rest 10 seconds. Like I said, 8 rounds through. That's going to get your heart rate up. Then we're going to go into 3 rounds for quality with the movements. It's going to be 10 strict press, 8 Romanian deadlifts, and 6 tempo squats.
Down in the city tonight. Down in the city. She's gone down in the city tonight. She said I'm in the mood for loving, and I guess I wanna dance. I'm in the mood for loving, and I guess I wanna dance. Yeah, I wanna dance with you.
The strength part of the workout's going to be EMON times 10, and it's going to be a clean and jerk complex. So we've got 2 options for this. The first option is going to be with a barbell, and you can build, if you've got the weights, it's going to be 2 cleans, 2 front squats, 2 power jerks. Option B is for if you've got a dumbbell or kettlebell, it's going to be 30 seconds max reps, and you're going to do a clean front squat press on your left arm on the first minute. On the second minute, you're going to do on the right arm. So you're just alternating arms, going through that for as many reps as possible. The final part is going to be the WOD of the day, which is going to be 42, 30, 18 burpees over and 21, 15, 9 squat cleans with weights up. Dumbbell 22.5, 15, kettlebell 24, 16 and barbell 50, 35.